Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS borders. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS border width. The CSS border width property specifies the width of the four borders. The width can be set as a specific size in pixel, px, or pt, or cm, or em, or you can use the default predefined values like thin, medium, or thick, and so on and so forth. Once again, the border width property specifies the width of the four borders. So I'm going to explain this. Let me quickly show you something quickly so you can understand what I mean by this. Can you see? I have this element right here now. But if you notice very well, we are having four angles. One line from the left, one right, one at the top, one at the right, one at the bottom. So those are the border for this box I created now. And to have using this border width along with this border you are seeing right here, definitely we are going to increase or decrease the size of every single lines right here. Maybe this left line we want to increase the way it is big, the size of it. Definitely we are going to use the border width. If you want to increase the size of this top border right here, you are going to use the border width. If you want to increase the size, so let's just call this width the size of every single element you are seeing, every single side you are seeing inside of our border. So, and the width can be set as a specific size in pixel way, or in px, pt, cm, em, and so on and so forth, or by using one of the three predefined value: thin, medium, or thick. So I'm going to show you how all this works in our next tutorial. We are going to explore it. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Peace and love. Bye bye. Thanks.